What's going on, everybody? Hey, I need some help real fast. Right now, SR20, put a new Tomei turbo setup on there, new Tomei manifold, outlet, turbo, the whole nine. I had an S14 T28 on there, ran fine, no issues, pulled it off. Car sat for about a year, put the new setup on, got everything up and running last night. Small little oil leak in the feed line, that's fine. Banjo bolt and the crush washer, I guess the crush washer was toast, so swapping that out, picked that up at the store today, fine, no biggie, done deal. It's got a weird little rattle over here in the turbo setup, I believe. That's what it sounds like it's coming from. S14 SRs, notorious for the VTC rattle. Not hearing it, I've heard it before. I have a spare one, that's fine, I'm not worried about that because that would be rattling up here and that's not the case. I'll start up the car up and bring the video over here and you can see it real fast. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, upon start, don't mind the battery. My other battery doesn't fit, or my other battery's completely shot. I had to borrow this bad boy, it won't fit here. Anyways, so I'll bring the camera here and you can hear it. When I rev it up, you hear that noise? When I let off the gas, it has that zing sound. What the hell is that? Coming from over here somewhere. This, shit's fucking hot. For the wastegate, it's a little loose. You see it move back and forth, alright? But it's not going nowhere because it's got the cotter pin. Maybe the wastegate, the flap is stuck open, not sure. Let's see here. Weird as hell. Never heard it before. Didn't do it on the old setup. If it was an exhaust leak, it'd be doing something, it'd sound a little different. Alright guys, let me know what's up. Input stops. Thanks fellas.